morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And this morning we're talking about your front bulkheads. Now, what we just did is Ken and I are putting a new bulkhead on this Traveler. The old one was all cracked, and we have a video on the cracks. But this is the forward bulkhead. Well, this is a brand new bulkhead.
Now the reason that cracked is because whoever put it on didn't do what we're doing here now.
All right, so, and this works on your back ones too, that if you take a ream, so anyway, let's just get back to this. So what we do is, we had the prop on the airplane, we had all the bolts in, and we torqued everything up. Now we've untorqued everything and taken everything out, and when you torque it up, these plates push pressure on this aluminum, and it's being sandwiched, which makes it extrude, and it extrudes right against the bolts. And so as you can see, we've taken 3 of the bolts out, and we're in the process of working the other bolts out. And as soon as we get all the bolts out, 7/16 ream, and we're going to come and repilot the holes like that on the other 3 as well. And then as you can see, now that we've reamed it, the bolts go right through. So it's really important you do that when you get a new one, that you torque it up one time, have it squeeze, and then come back and take it off and then repilot the holes. Now Ken uses a special washer. We used the original AN 960 616s because they're smaller, and if you can, let me compare one for you. So this is an AN 960 616 thick washer, which goes on your prop. However, this is the one that Ken uses, which is a little larger. It distributes that force over a much larger area and doesn't cause extrusion. So what we did by using the small one, forced a small area of extrusion. We've reamed it, and this should take care of it. But every year you need to run a ream through every time you take the prop off.
Okay, the part number of those washers for a Cheetah and Traveler, 7/16, MS 27183-16.
Yeah.
For a Tiger, the half-inch, they're a -18.
18.
And for the two-place, or the ones that's got the 3/8 bolts,
Yeah.
they're a -14.
All right, I'm going to write that down. All right, I call this a 6/16. It's actually a 7/16 washer, my bad. So anyway, what that does is you reopen the thing, and that way your bulkheads will never crack. And as a standard practice, we ream them both, the forward and the back, every year because the prop comes off to check the safety wiring. Okay, and this is what we talk about pilot reaming them. You don't take away much metal, but the little bit that you do prevents it from jamming. And as you can see, those little metal flakes right there, they're not many, but it's all it takes. All right, so we hope you found this informative. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman.